Okay, what's up, everyone? Today I started with the new month, so this is my initial deposit for this month will be $500, and we will save and growth our $500 from today and go on for the whole month of this month, December, and we'll find out if we are able, or if I am able to save this $500 and gradually grow it to a couple thousands or not. But my goal is around $3,000 to $4,000 growth. But who knows? We'll see if I can do that for this month. So last month we round up around $4,900. Yeah, $4,900, which initially profit $4,000, almost $4,000, because my initial deposit for last month is 1,000 US dollars. Okay, so without further ado, we will start our trading for today. So the technique that I use in my trading is every single day I will check, the main important criteria in the market is you needed to look for trend market. The trend market is always present some things inside there. They always tell you that the majority of the candle on will be on the red or will be on the green. So when you see the trend, like a downtrend, majority of the candle will be more onto the red candle. So we will check, we will use our trend line to help checking the potential of the candle, where the price level normally falling, and then where the area of most of the candle will be going up or going down. So this is very important indicators, trend line. So you needed to learn to use this trend line because it's really help in trading. So trend line always tell you that the price is always going back down in normally, in a very normal condition or good market condition. The price will always bounce around the trend line, trend area. So I will check this condition also. This one is kind of like the trend is just like break out around here. They break out because there's two breakouts already. They create this one, a new trend, and this one. That's pretty good, but there's two breakout already. So we are not convinced that if the price will able to wow, it's just like the sell. When we look the side of the candles, the long sides of candle, you look at the support base area here. This side can be something coming to touch this support area, and then it's pull back. That is a possible one. When you see the full size of candle, so look for its support. So if you don't see any support areas around that full size long candle like this, so do not trade on the opposite areas. So I can see that this one it's pretty long one, and then you see that a little pushback about to go high, and then there's volumes of sell jumping in just like very strong on the volumes right here, sell. But the buying volume also take place at this support base areas. Okay, I see that they are coming close to support areas. Wow, now the sell is winning. They take the price down, and then it will move the whole market down a little more. I believe that it will move down a little more. Okay, I go sell. We'll see if I am right, because normally when you look into the market with the trend line and the market with the potential of sell or the potential of buy, it's always going into that kind of same pattern. And when you win the majority of the candle, that when you see that the majority of the candle is moving downward, and then you are like 50% of winning already. But wow, almost lost at this one. It seemed like I see like just rejection down at the base. I see that very good winning already. It just in the last few seconds, you see that the candles start to reject. It seemed like the amount of volume they are just dumped in just the last minutes. So almost lost here, but yeah, pretty close. So we secure this one. Okay, pretty good. So we will have one more trade so that we can round up our profits around $100. I hope that we can just round up our profit at $50. Okay, 42. We see that the push start to get in. The buy start to push in. Yes, you see that now the price start to rising back already. Okay, so I was lucky that the sell able to hold this candle, then we win. We see that the buy just jump in with a lot of volume, and they continue to grow now in the second minute here at this point. First and the seconds. Okay, so I think the 5 minutes candle will be very interesting because they are complete in the red area, now back on revenge. So they'll come back to the trend line here, but anyway, we still on the uptrend majority, and just in the last couple, I think maybe an hour or something right here, majority is getting into sell. So the buy just jump in, and then more volume just get on into this. So I can see that I think they are going to coming close to the sell area. So I'm not going to get any buy at this point because the price is very close to the sell area. So it's really possible that sell just jump in and take control, and the price start to reverse. So okay, we see a strong rejection onto sell. Okay, and and the candle also, the price of this candle also close to the sell area trend, the lower trend here. Sell start to jump in, push the price down, so it's really possible to move the price further. So we will have one more trade, will be our last trade for today, so that we can close our deal at $100. Okay, so back again to the trend line. They just back again to the trend line. So they're not able to break the trend line just yet because the sell volume always jump in around this area. It seems like the sell also trying to push the price, but the buyers not agree. The volume, okay, they break in. Okay, break in free. So I will use the reversal technique to trade on the lower. I will sell. I will wait for the signal to sell because it's already break the trend line here. So another thing that I need to wait is the buy volume. I need the buy volume to be a little as is possible, and then the sell volume, I need it to be a lot more than the buy volume onto the next candle. So I wait for the next signal candles so that I can go into the sell, because I am convinced that they are come close to the sell, but I will wait for the confirmation candle so that I can enter the sell. So do not engage at this point, because the price start to rising. They start to moving up, more and more. So if you are trading, I think you can go to buy, but it's pretty hard, to go to buy at this area. We can see that the rejection candle, this is the candle with a very good sells rejections. So it's really possible that the next candle is able to fall further. So if this candle strong hold onto the sell power and the volume powers, it's really possible that the next one is going to be a sell 1, 2, and 1. Okay. So I'm going on to sell this one. So we will see if I am right. It's really good. You look like you are 90% winning already. It's really good. If there is any buy rejection around down area, I don't know if a strong buy just jump in and overturn the candle, that would be so sad. Awesome. Okay, it's pretty great for today. So we are able to make our profit for today is at $100 US. It's a pretty good one. Okay, so I hope you learned something from my trade today. So if anything you have in mind, about the technique that I use, so don't forget to comment down below, and I'd be happy to respond back. And don't forget to share the videos if you like it, or if you find anything beneficial into your trading. If you don't find anything beneficial from this video, so just ignore it, whatever. So that's it, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.